Nala. Go see Max now. Hey Max, what's up, bro? What's up, Max? Max! Max and Nala. This is the long-awaited dogs playing part 2. Hey Max, what's up, bro? We got Nala and Max. Oh, Max is peeing. Oh god. Oh, there he goes.
I definitely wish she loved her raincoat as much as she likes that sweater.
I know. Hold on, I have an idea.
Uh-oh.
Come here. They're really running. Alright, so if you record 2 dogs just playing and disappear for 30 days, somehow you get 300,000 views. That's mm-hmm. Hey, Max. Hey, come on. Damn. Whoa. Did you just hit that water jug? Come on, Max. Max. Taking a break? I think she's taking a break. She wants to play. Or he wants to play. I'm recording the Max and Nala show. It's your boyfriend, Nala. Oh god. I don't know why I did that. We're gonna go now? Alright. I'll record more soon.